everyone! Welcome to another episode here in Mommy Money Tips. And in this episode, I'm going to share with you yung isang na-discover ko with GCash. Alam nyo ba na you can earn passive income here in GCash? Kasi usually, alam natin na you can send and receive money through GCash. Pero hindi natin alam na you can actually invest for a very small amount here at GCash. There are two ways to earn passive income here in GCash. First is yung usual na magsisave lang tayo, like putting money sa isang bank account. Meron din tayong parang ganun na feature dito sa GCash. The other thing that I'm going to share with you is yung sabi ko na you can invest here at GCash na pwede kang mag-start at a very small amount. So, number one, let me share first with you the feature yung GSave. Kung makikita mo dito sa screen, you will see at the topmost, yung sa first row of icons, the third one is the GSave. Let's click on the icon GSave. So what is GSave? So GSave is actually parang savings account feature ng GCash where you can deposit money from your load to your piggy bank. So yung piggy bank mo is yung parang bank account mo within GCash. Ang maganda dito sa savings account na to is yung minimum deposit required is only 50 pesos. Okay, so for as low as 50 pesos, you can actually open your savings account here at GSave. Ang maganda pa dito kasi diba when you open a savings account sa bank, you would need to submit a picture, ID2 valid IDs, mga ganun. Dito, once your account is verified na level 2, you can automatically open your piggy bank account. Another best feature na nakita ko dito, yung money mo will earn 2.60% annually. So, diba maganda to kasi mas mataas to ng sobrang-sobra sa usual lang interest rates ino-offer ng mga banks. Sa regular accounts or regular savings accounts sa banks, I believe nasa around 0.25% lang yata yung interest per annum. Tapos may may kaltas pa yun na withholding tax. So mas lesser pa doon yung makukuha mong interest on your money. But here on GSave, the base interest rate is 2.60% per annum and I believe wala na tong kaltas na tax. Pero let's check. So sabi dito, your savings account earns 2.6 per annum interest rate paid out every month. So you can also get higher interest rates based on promotions from CIMB Bank PH. Your money being saved here through GSave is being managed by the CIMB Bank PH. So what are the other features? Tingnan natin. Kung meron palang help center, kung meron kang issue your GCash account, you can actually chat with meron tayong mapagtatanungan regarding sa ating account. So ganun. So how easy is it to deposit on your GSave account? So you just click the deposit icon and here you just enter the amount na gusto mong isave. 50 pesos, then automatic na siya na mababawas sa load mo. So make sure that may pondo yung GCash mo so that you can transfer an amount to your GSave account. And then nare-reflect din automatically yung money na na-save mo. Wala pang 30 seconds na-transfer na agad yung pera mo. Just like any bank account or regular account, mabilis lang din mag-withdraw kasi I already experienced it. Kaso walang laman yung GCash ko ngayon so I cannot demonstrate it. But anyway, when you withdraw, madali lang din mag-withdraw. You just click the withdraw button, enter the amount. Wala pang 10 seconds yet. Mata-transfer na sa regular load mo. From your piggy bank to your regular GCash na load. So that's for the savings account or the GSave feature of GCash. Now, let me show you yung sinasabi ko kanina na you can earn passive income through GCash. So, yung gagawin muna natin is balik tayo dito. Then, click on View All GCash Services. Tapos, punta tayo dito sa my financial services. So, here you can see there are 3 icons. The first one is GInvest. Then, we have GLoan and GGives. So, dito tayo sa GInvest. Here you can see that on top, meron yung pangalan na GInvest and then below that is the amount 1,502.99. Actually, yan yung investment ko dito sa GInvest as of today. Ano nga ba itong GInvest? Now, if you are familiar with mutual fund, then maiintindihan mo kung ano ito. But if you're not familiar with mutual fund, I will make another video explaining more what mutual fund is. But yung pinakasimple na explanation dito is mutual fund is a type of an investment pwede kang mag-earn ng money. Now, here, nakikita mo dito that I have actually several investment funds. Si G-Invest kasi, marami siyang mga investment funds, no? So, to check kung ano yung mga investment funds na available dito kay G-Invest, let's click on the View Investment Products. Baka nagtataka kayo, parang bakit ang liit ng laman ng investment ko dito sa G-Invest? Kasi I accept cake orders. Some of my customers, they want to pay me through GCash kasi nga mas accessible at mas mabilis yung transaction. They send me their payment through GCash. So kung minsan yung ginagawa ko, I take 20% ng bayad ng customer, kinukuha ko, ay sineset aside ko, and then nilalagay ko dito sa G-Invest. Balik tayo doon sa investment product. There are actually 7 mutual funds here in G-Invest. Pwede kang pumili kung saan yung magugustuhan mo, depending also on what type of investor you are. I cannot show it to you, no, how you do it, kasi meron na akong account. Pero kung bago ka pa lang sa G-Invest, they will give you actually a sort of parang questionnaire that you will answer. From answering that questionnaire, you would know kung ano kang klaseng investor. So, sa akin, out of that questionnaire, it was found out that my risk appetite is moderately aggressive. Bakit kailangan natin malaman kung anong type of investor ka? Kasi, ang mga investment products dito, masasabi nating may pinagbabagayan na klase ng investor. So, for example, ako, I'm a moderately aggressive na investor. So, maghahanap ako dito ng investment na swak sa akin. Dito sa taas, the first product is the BPI ALFM Global Multi-Asset Income Fund, and this one is for aggressive investors. Parang hindi to swak sa akin. And we have the Philippine Stock Index Fund na meron akong maliit na investment na 804 pesos. And then, yun. Heto, meron ditong Atram Total Return Peso Bond Fund, which is moderate. Ito, bagay sa akin. So, pwede akong mag-invest dyan. Paano mo malalaman ang details ng product? So, ang gagawin mo lang is you just click on the product that you like. So, for example, itong si Philippine Stock Index Fund. You just click on the arrow at dadalhin ka niya sa isang page na merong details about the fund. Makikita mo dito sa taas na merong graph on the performance of the fund. And then, makikita dito kung magkano na yung investment ko. So, as of date, the value of my investment is only 804 pesos. Under fund overview, makikita natin, past 1 year return daw, negative 1.92%. Meaning, if nag-invest ka last year, negative ang pera mo ngayon. Ganyan naman kasi sa investment, meron talagang risk. There is always a risk na malulugi ka. Pero, pag hindi mo naman wini-withdraw yung pera mo, pinapastay mo lang dyan, hintayin mo lang na tumaas ulit ang value, then kikita ka na. Mababasa rin dito that the minimum buy order amount is only 50 pesos. Why I am sharing this with you? Kasi as far as I know, here in the Philippines, mga mutual funds available here in G-Invest ang pinakamura na entry point sa market. Some kasi, sa pagkakalam ko lang, sa ibang mutual fund companies, their minimum investment is mga nasa 5,000, 1,000, merong 100. Yung pagkakalam ko, dito sa G-Invest yung pinaka mababa. At ang kagandahan pa dito is you only have to load your GCash wallet and transfer the fund to your investment. Napakadali lang. Now, basahin nyo na lang kung ano yung details dito. If you want to buy, gusto mo nang mag-start ng iyong G-Invest, nabasa mo na yung mga features dito. So now, paano ba mag-buy? So, simply, you just click buy and then you just enter the amount kung magkano yung gusto mong i-invest. So, for example, meron kang 200 sa load mo, you just enter 200 and then just click next. Sinasabi dito that standard order processing time is 3 business days after order placement. Huwag po tayong mainip kasi with other mutual fund companies, ganyan naman talaga. It takes time no, for your order to reflect. Now, you can also sell. So, for example, may kita na yung investment mo and you want to withdraw, you just click sell. And again, you just enter the amount that you want to withdraw and then click next. Sabi dito, that standard order processing time is 6 business days after order placement. Pero from my experience, processing time is around mga 3 to 4 days. Malalaman mo kung magkano na yung pinasok mo na pera dito by clicking on the investment transaction history. So, click dito, makikita kung magkano yung pinasok mo or withdraw mo. So, dito makikita, for example, nung March 10, nag-deposit ako ng 100 pesos sa aking stock index fund. Also, on the same day, nagpasok ako ng 100 pesos din sa my Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund ko. I actually have 2 funds here sa GInvest, yung Philippine Stock Index Fund tsaka yung Atram Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund. Meron ako dati na Atram Peso Money Market Fund, pero winidraw ko siya last March 7, yun, nag-withdraw ako ng 721 pesos. Okay, so I hope that you learned something from this episode with regards this investment feature ng GCash. There are other features here sa GCash na worth discovering na pwede nating pagkakitaan or functions or features aside from sending and receiving money. If you like this episode and you want me to discuss other products or my questions kayo, feel free to comment on the comment section and I'll try my best to answer your questions. Until our next episode, thank you for watching.